Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up the minimum age for your Instagram profile. You might use a minimum age for your profile if you have adult content, if you are like an adult artist, or you have a bar or alcohol brand. For example, we have a winery, so obviously wine is an alcoholic beverage, and we might want to set up our page as age restricted. So how you should do it: go to settings, then go to business, and here on the bottom of the list you will see minimum age. Go to minimum age, and here you can set a default, set a minimum age for people everywhere, or you can set by country, set different minimum age in specific countries. For example, you could set the default to 21 but allow people in Canada to be 18. As you can see here, you can choose a country. Let's say what country should we use? Let's say Japan, and set the minimum age for 80 just as a joke. So with this restriction, all the people from Japan under 80 won't be able to see my page. Yeah, let's see the default option as well. Minimum age, default 18. So then this will apply 18 for all the countries. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next video.